Set, ready for racing. Racing, gas is started, heavy space, middle, break, quick, clear start, running by the rail comes Whispering Hope, Regal Baby, Pamelican Island also showing speed, then comes Mushy Mushy, Anone, this time then followed down by Luneta Park, Mighty Maton, Gangarin, Rolling Mill, while Sinkamas, Scarlet is the only trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader, racing down the backstretch, very space, middle, by about half length, Pamelican Island is right behind in second, Real Baby is racing in third, moving up is Mushy Mushy, Anone, then comes Whispering Hope, this time Luneta Park, Mighty Maton, then followed by Gangadin, Rolling Mill second last, while Sinkamas is Scarlet, is still racing in 11th, another 14, really space, middle, by Link and Hop, Pamelican Island is still in second, Regal Baby, this time Luneta Park comes next, Mighty Maton, and as they swing for the space needle, this time by about 6 lengths, Pamelican Island remains in second, Regal Baby, this time last 75 meters, Jackie Jesse, Basilio Guse on Space Needle. Second, Pamelican Island third. This time, Regal Baby, Mighty Matong.
Okay, Bayang Karwista, ating unofficial winner for our race number 11 is now none other than the 7-horse Space Needle with GB Guse. Masisigundo nga dyan, 9-8, Pamelican Island, 4 this time sa East na si Regal.